pwede tinagdoon. Bitaw, hindi na, unsa naman ni sir. Sige, beyond his academic excellence, he also served as Vice President of the Supreme Student Government for 2 years, demonstrating early on his passion for leadership and service. His journey is a testimony of discipline and perseverance.
From being a 6th honorable mention at the Bonao Central School, he rose to become a cum laude graduate of Cebu Normal University.
Hello?
A consistent Dean's Lister University Scholar and a Barasan Scholar, earning his degree in Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Ay, kauban nito sa buhat ng ayos. He later pursued his Master's in Education, major in Mathematics at Cebu Technological University, continuing his commitment to growth and learning.
With courage and vision, he made a bold transition from classroom to the world of business. Today, he is a successful entrepreneur and leader, serving in multiple roles, including owner of RMSS Health and Wellness Products Trading, owner of Yes2 Health Wellness Center, Cebu City Branch, owner of Oil Health and Beauty Products Shop.
Board of Secretary of GVM Radio and TV Corporation. And, this is interesting, mga scholars, ha? Finance Officer of XFM 88.3 Cebu, Y101 FM Cebu, and the Solid FM 92.3 Cebu.
Area Sales Manager covering Cebu, Bohol, and Siquijor, and Vice President of Adventist Academy of Negros Oriental Siquijor Incorporated.
Ladies and gentlemen, with hearts full of pride and gratitude, let us warmly welcome our keynote speaker, a proud alumnus, a former educator, a successful entrepreneur, and an inspiration to us all. He is Mr. Romelo Zamora Novenario.
Kato ganina, di galakaw doon. Oh. Ada siya.
Pupuntan daw kay nampak daw mayo. Thank you. Good day to our dear teachers. Ayong hapon kaninyong tanan. Sa atong mga parents, proud parents, and most especially our honor students. Ihaya rin daghang kay honor students no? Sa una pulo lang, napulo ra gyud kabuo kada year level. Karon puno daghang kay tanan. And congratulations everyone. Today is not just another school program. Today is not just about medals, certificates, or recognition. Today is a celebration of your journey. A journey filled with discipline, sacrifice, and perseverance. Mausap ko diha sa una naglingkod kauban ninyo. Ang nadiha tanan, diha kaugin na. Nindot gani mo ron, kaya na namoy atok. Kami sa una, wala pa'y atok. Kami pa ang maghakot og balas, bato dito sa tabok sapa. Na ako mga batchmate rin, na si Lucel. Barok kayo mga
Tagaan.
recognize akong batchmates nga nakita na ako dire. Si Joyla, si Flor Denisa, kisa ito sa ganyan? Si Louie, si Marklin, ito sa pagin. Si Lucel, so tinawagan niya.
Marklin Kabo.
Parent
Papa ni Kwan.
Parent.
Brett.
Ha?